LaRoche's goons didn't follow the assembly instructions close enough. They seem to have left a few gears missing out of this contraption. I bet this loose gear is supposed to go somewhere. This gear must go somewhere in here. This gear is too small. 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 I wonder where this gear goes. This gear is too small. 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 This gear must go somewhere in here. This gear is too small. I wonder where this gear goes. I bet this loose gear is supposed to go somewhere. This gear is too big to go there. This gear is too big to go there. The gears in this cavity of the Dogbot's tooth look like they may lead me to freedom, unless LaRoche knows a good Dogbot dentist. This crazy gear mechanism looks like it could be the key out of the jaws of the evil Dogbot. I think this gear mechanism